Hi, welcome to BONITA'S Kitchen and thank you for joining us. So today I'm excited to share with you a recipe from those delicious ladyfingers, which is going to be chocolate peanut butter ladyfingers. Now if this recipe interests you and you like to know how to make it, stick around and let's get started. So now we'll be using our homemade ladyfingers and I'll share that recipe with you if you didn't see it. I got some different types of bars in here, dark chocolate, light chocolate, that one got nuts, and just a small amount of chocolate chips, because that's all I got in chocolate chips. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to melt this down and I'm going to add an ingredient to it to make it nice and smooth. But right here now we got 1 cup, so we'll deal with that now in a moment. We got 1 cup of peanut butter, smooth peanut butter. I got a pinch of, let's put this here, a pinch of sea salt, 1 cup of peanut butter, and ½ a cup of confectioner sugar, just powdered sugar. I'm going to put into this bowl and blend it together. Don't need that little spoon anymore. And I'm going to toss in confectionery sugar. And these 3 ingredients we're going to mix together well first. And it doesn't matter if you got a little bit more peanut butter than 1 cup. It'll all work in together because this is no special amount that you need. That's all I'm using today. So we're going to toss in there about ½ a cup to 3/4 of a cup of mini marshmallows, and you can use colored ones too. If your grandkids or kids is helping you with this, they might like to use colored ones. I'm using some walnuts, or you could use a nut of choice, and that's about 1/4 cup. And all I'm going to do there now is blend that into this mixture. And if you're allergic to nuts, you could use Rice Krispies. That's fine. So pretty much all you're going to do now is just blend this in until all of those ingredients are snug in together. Now I'm going to pull in those ladyfingers and show you what I'm going to do. So I just got a pan there with a sheet of parchment paper on it and a grate, because when we dip them in the chocolate, I want it just to run off onto that parchment paper. So what we'll do here first is prepare all of our ladyfingers first before we go melting the chocolate, because this is kind of like, we got to do this quick here. Then take a nice heaping amount of that, or even a tablespoonful I should say, of that delicious peanut butter mixture with all of that goodness in it, and just put it on the tray. I'm going to keep doing this. I got 12 here, but you can make as many as you like and put as much on each one of these as you like. But I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'll melt the chocolate, tell you what we'll do there. So last but not least, we get all this together. So pretty much that's all you're doing there. You're just putting a nice heaping topping on the top of those ladyfingers. And now what I'm going to do is tell you about melting down the chocolate. So all I'm going to do to melt my chocolate, and again, you see that I'm using a couple of different bars, some of my chocolate chips, because it's what's left over in my cupboard. And it's so expensive for chocolate this day. Get what's on special, or get chocolate that's left over from different occasions. Pop it in the microwave, and I'm going to nook it for 1 minute, just enough to stir the chocolate. And then after, I'm going to pop in there 1½ tablespoonfuls of coconut oil. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show you that. So you can see those different types of chocolate in there. I'm just going to mix this together, and then till it starts to I guess bring in the rest of the chocolate that's there in chunks. And then what I'm going to do, so this is going to stay nice and smooth for me. This handle is really hot. You wouldn't think, coming out of the microwave?
No.
I'm going to toss in there that coconut oil like this and stir it around. And that's all.
Like our granddaughter says, Nanny, you don't want to burn your fingers.
No, I don't. I surely don't. And that's all you need to do there. And that's what it's going to look like. Delish. Pretty much all I'm going to do. Now if you add it in a bowl, maybe you can dip the whole thing, but I'm not going to dip the bottom. I'm just going to take the spoon and pour the chocolate over the top. But as they would say, you do you, because if you got another way that you like to do this, and you've done similar things before, go ahead and do it, and just let it drain off like this. And the reason why I got this, the grate, I want to put that there, and any excess chocolate, it'll go down there, and we'll have that for snack. Say, Raymond.
You got that
The
right.
chocolate that hardens down on the bottom, because you know we're not wasting a taste.
No.
Now this is the type of recipe that you can do with your kids and grandkids, because you know all this chocolate and that on your fingers. I know we're not teaching them to lick their fingers, but I'm going to tell you, we're not keeping them from this chocolate. That's for sure. But today, I said to Raymond, let's get this done before the grandkids comes, because we'd be in a real big mess for sure. Yeah. So that's pretty much all you do. This recipe is enough for about 12, and the recipe that we shared last week, it was for about 18 to 20 ladyfingers, but like you said, you could use it for whatever recipe you want. So this is about 1 cup of melted chocolate. That's all you need. So pour it out, and if you need more, you can add. And if you got lots of leftover chocolate and you wanted to dip the whole thing, you could do that. But the rest of the chocolate, just pour down over those delicious little chocolate peanut butter ladyfingers. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put these on the tray and all in the fridge for a few hours until that chocolate hardens. When it's hardened, I mean, you can start eating it right away. You want to keep them in a container and leave them in the fridge until they're gone. My way of doing it, I usually freeze them, take them out as we want them, as many as we want, of course. But right now we got some done in advance. I'm going to pull those out of the fridge and show you what they look like when they set. Yum, yum. I'm going to have to clean up too. So I got this nice little snap container. I always say a lock container, so we can keep it from raining. I just keep it in here like this and take it out as you want it. You got the ladyfinger on the bottom, nice chocolate on the top, and you know everybody, anyone that loves chocolate is going to love these, and the peanut butter and all that. Yum. This is perfect for any occasion. I'm going to have a little taste now that Raymond has got one that was not even set, gone. His face is full.
Thank God we got paper towels.
I know, right? Oh my gosh, delicious. The inside, yum. I'll bring you in closer to see now in a second, but drop the plate, delicious. The peanut butter blend, softness of the marshmallows, crunch of those nuts, and the different kind of chocolate that I got there. I hope you get to try it. 2 thumbs up, chocolate thumbs and all. I can't wait. So this is it. This is how easy it is to make these delicious chocolate peanut butter ladyfingers. I hope you get to try and please comment. Let me know what you think of it and if you made them or made one like them. The recipe will be posted below. If you can't find it there, surely send me a message at bonnitakitchen@gmail.com. Visit our Facebook page at Bonnie the Kitchen, or our website. You can subscribe there. It's www.bonnitakitchen.com. So before we go, I'd like again to take this moment to thank our paid members. We so appreciate you supporting our channel and stopping in each week and checking out the new videos. We thank each and every one of our subscribers to date for subscribing. We're almost at 100,000 right now, and we're excited to see how many more new subscribers we're going to get to enjoy our shows. So we're not going to take any more of your time. We surely know it's precious. So on behalf of myself,
And me, of course.
Raymond, and our team, and from our kitchen to yours,
You have a wonderful day.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Just look at these delicious chocolate peanut butter ladyfingers. Yum, I can't wait for you to make them.
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen, to yours.